Hey writers, imagine a place where your creativity is actually rewarded. What if I told you there's a hidden gem of a platform that pays you for publishing your articles and stories? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's real. And it's helping tons of writers like you turn their passion into profit. Now, I'm not talking about just another freelance gig. I'm talking about a platform that truly values stories you write and rewards your dedication. Whether you're a beginner writer, a seasoned author, or even a blogger looking to monetize your content, this platform is for you. But what's the name of this incredible platform? Well, I'm not revealing it just yet. I've actually written a post in my website all about it, where I explain what the platform is, how it works, and even how you can earn more from it. You can find the link to that post in the description below. If you're curious and ready to start your writing journey, go check it out. Don't miss this chance to turn your words into cash. Click that link, know the about that, and happy writing.